Hey, what's up, you guys? Jeff from JBEG Cards and my brother Gilbert.
What's up?
Hey, I told you guys I'd be opening this pretty soon, and I'm gonna have to lay it on you. Wish me some luck, and man, I'll probably be a little shaky for this video, but it's all cool. So let's just get right into it, guys. Here it is. I'm probably gonna get, I don't know, probably a Gretzky or Taylor Hall. No, I'm just kidding, but that would be great. This is it, you guys. This is it. I'm shaking so bad that I can't even stick the knife in the part where I can cut that little seal right here. I've opened these before of the last year's one, but I have never opened, well, not the 2009 10, I'm sorry, but I've never opened 10 11, so here she is. All right. This is it. Jeff Carter, right on the top. Probably do it like this. Take out that rubber with the cards. Okay, I got it. I just don't want to see the back myself. I got a decoy, guys. And I got a gold card. There's the decoy. There's the gold card. Oh my gosh. Hopefully something good. Alright. We'll roll them like this. Good. Alright. Jeff Carter. Base. I'm shaking so bad. Jeff Skinner. Out of 99 rookie patch auto. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shaking, guys. Okay. Tyler Myers. Significant patches. 22 out of 75. Gilbert. I have no idea how to say that name, so I'm not going to say it. 12 of 25. I think just jersey variation of that. Here's the gold card. Adam McQuaid. Rookie gold card numbered 6 of 25. And there's that decoy. So I think the hit is right there, guys. Wow, Jeff Skinner. Mega nasty, great looking patch. Hopefully I don't shake that much so you guys can see that. Wow. Unbelievable. Well, there's the cup, you guys. Thanks for watching. Take care, like I've always said, and grab those hits, like I've always said also. So, thanks for watching. See you guys later. That's crazy.